Now we are going to take a closer look at the mathematical operators. So the mathematical operators are symbols used to perform the arithmetic calculations in Python. Okay. All right. So now let's take a closer look at the basic math operators in Python. Okay. So addition, we are going to use the addition symbol. So 10 plus 5, 15. Subtraction, we have to use this symbol here. Okay. The minus symbol. Okay. That is 10 minus 5 is 5. So when it comes to multiplication, we have to use the asterisk. Okay. So 10 times 5 is 50. Okay. So when it comes to division, we have to use the forward slash. Okay. So 10 divided by 5, we're going to get a float result. Okay. Floats are numbers with a decimal. Okay. All right. So now we have the floor division. Okay. That is 2 forward slashes. Okay. And you can see 8. Okay. 2 forward slashes 3 is equal to 2. Okay. It gives an integer result and it rounds down the number. Okay, to the nearest integer. Okay. Also now we have the modulus. Okay, so the modulo operator, what it does is it gives the remainder. Okay, so if you want to calculate 10 divided by 3, whereby you just want to access the remainder, then you have to use the modulus operator, that is here the percentage symbol. Okay. All right. So when it comes to exponentiation, you have to use 2 asterisk. Okay, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so you have to use the 2 asterisk. Okay, so this is important to note. Let's go to the other side and check it out. All right, let's continue getting our hands dirty on some codes and do exactly what we learned in the previous lesson. Okay, so now I'm gonna say A, for instance, is equal to 25. And I'm gonna come down here and say B, for instance, is equal to 4. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we are going to use all the mathematical operators that we have just learned. Okay, and then I'm going to load this, and now it's time to look at them one after the other. Okay, so here is 25 and 4. So 25 plus 4, it's going to output 29. And the next one, 25 minus 4 is going to output 21. So the next one is 25 times 4 is going to output 100. Okay, so now A forward slash B, so this is the division. Okay, and this should output a float number, that is a decimal number. So A divided by B, that is 25, divided by 4, this is going to output 6.25. Okay, all right, so now we have 2 forward slashes. What this means is going to take the floor division, that is, it is going to divide it and round it down to the nearest integer. So when it divided it, it was 6.25. Okay, and now when it rounds it down to the nearest integer, we got 6. That is why we have this 6 here. Okay, and now let us look at the modulus operator. So 25 modulus 2 modulus 4 rather, it's gonna be 1, right? Because 25 divided by 4, we're gonna get 6. So remainder what? Remainder 1. That is what is here. Okay, so now if we take 25 to the power 4, we should get 390,625. So the mathematicians, please go ahead and prove it out. Okay, all right. So keep coding and see you on the other side.